Hello everyone, today let's talk about TG oil seal. This seal is a standard size oil seal, and this size is internal diameter is 180, external diameter is 220, and the center is 18. There is 18. This is a red-brown color, and we also have black color. This is a spring. It has with spring and with skeleton. It also has many following features. This is a very big purse. It has vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention. Proof water, tinking spring, and tinking skeleton. If you are interested in these products, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples, and we also can provide the customer the service. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.